That's bad idea. I'm not sure that's a good idea. Can I smoke here? Would you mind if I smoked here? Come here? Could you come here? This report is awful. This report is not really up to standard. Can I borrow your pencil? Could I borrow your pencil? Leave me alone. Sorry, I'm a bit busy right now. It's hot. Open the window. Do you mind if I open the window? Tell me when you're available. Let me know where you're available. I hate this color. I'm not too fond of this color. Your work isn't good. I'm not quite satisfied with this work. I want a hamburger. I'd like a hamburger. Send me the report. Could you send me the report? You're wrong. I think you might be mistaken.